Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lookbooks. This is going to be Amazon Miniso Myntra Collective Haul. Well, most of the things are from Amazon, but I thought I just have three things from Miniso and Myntra, so why not club them together in one video? These are completely random things. So yes, it is 4 a.m. right now and I have to get this video up by 1 p.m. Without further ado, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and let's jump right in. Starting off with Miniso, I have the French Formula nail polish in the shade 07 Grey Violet. I have this on my nails right now. I applied these like a week ago and these haven't chipped or cracked, anything of that sort. I also have their shade Peach Pearl, which is an all-time favorite, but yes, I wanted to give this one a try and it looks really classy and cute. It's sort of a lavender shade with a cool toned gray undertone and it looks really great. So yes, you don't have to physically go to their store. You can also get this from Amazon. Just like everyone else in quarantine, I wanted to maintain a routine, plan out my Instagram and YouTube related content, and write down the things I wanted to do. So I bought a diary, a journal of sorts. This has a strike a pose written here. It's a mirror view, but yes, I will insert a clip. This definitely comes in handy. I do feel that writing down things makes it more organized and you don't forget the ideas. Like suppose I have a video idea today, I won't forget it 2 weeks later when I'm looking for something to film for YouTube. So I'm really glad I got this. I was looking for a hand mirror which is big enough. I went through a lot of reviews on Amazon and everything said that they are not the right description that is mentioned. They are smaller than that. And then I found one from Miniso. Well, got it off of Amazon, but I'm sure you can get it in the local stores as well. Now this has a normal view and then a 5 times magnification view. I can place it on my table because this one bends, and then I can also hold it on my hand. But the only problem is because this is dual sided, it is super clear. I love the 5 times magnification view because in makeup application that is super helpful, but then because this is dual ended, it becomes a bit tricky to hold it during my videos because this is sorted, the other side is not. But yeah, I'm just going to make it work. Now, Miniso has things of two categories. Some really quirky functional things that are super useful and you need, and then a completely unnecessary but cute things that you want. Now, those were the cute stuff. Now, coming to the functional things that I find super useful. Then I have this creepy looking thing which is a tabletop tripod. Now I already have a ring light, so that comes with its own phone adjustments. I just needed one to put on my table for stories or maybe short Instagram videos. So this attachment here is for portrait mode and I can put it like this and tighten it, so that will be landscape for YouTube. So yes, this is perfect and it's pretty sturdy, and because of this it's easier to put it in portrait mode. The previous one I had, I broke it, and mostly because it was not very flexible, I was not able to put it in portrait mode, which I needed for my Instagram videos. So yes, now this one is pretty flexible and good enough for both portrait and landscape mode, and I can see that this is going to last me really long. The next thing I have is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow. It is in the shade 02 Diamond Dust. This is super sparkly and straight up glitter, but super easy to apply. I bought this because this has raving reviews and I wanted to give this one a try, which I already have, and I'll link the makeup first impressions video in the description box as well as in the iCard. So if you have missed it, definitely go ahead and check that out. But a mini review, this is amazing. A thumbs up, go get this. Another makeup related product is the Calabar Blenditude Beauty Sponge. I am super impressed with this. It is so inexpensive and gives such a beautiful flawless finish to your base. So if you're looking for an inexpensive beauty sponge, definitely give this one a try. Then I bought the Philips hair dryer. It is compact, looks good, does the job. So yeah, happy with this purchase. Remember a few million years ago when I said I'll make a how to apply your false lashes video? Well, the next purchase was to aid that, but when you buy so many things, you are bound to have a few fails, and this is exactly that. This is a random set of falsies that I bought off of Amazon. Now, I really wanted to recommend a inexpensive set of false lashes that you can try out first, in addition to recommending some good pairs like worth 400 to 1000 rupees a pair. But what happens is you are not going to get applying your false lashes right in the first trial itself, and in that process you'll end up spoiling the pair of lashes, which are literally 1000 to 500 rupees just for a single pair. So I wanted to recommend some inexpensive sets of lashes so that you can have trial and errors with it, or maybe wear it for some small occasions. Now the one I swear by is Miniso's curly and lengthening false lashes, but I don't know if they have discontinued it or what, because I can't find it on Amazon, neither can I find it on their local stores. As you can see, these are completely stick straight. They are good quality, like the material, the texture, it is good and it looks natural, but it just doesn't complement my eyes and I don't like the look it gives. It is completely straight. It is thinner towards the inner corner and lengthening towards the outer corner, which is good, but it is not crisscross. And the pictures that I saw in the review pictures in the review section, even they were crisscross, and the product image was definitely crisscross because that is what I wanted. I looked for that specifically, so I don't know why they sent this, but yeah, I can still make it work on really bold looks, but I don't do really dark eyes anyway. I always go for more subtle colors on my eyes, or even if they are darker, they are more glam colors, not blue or straight up green. I usually don't go for colors like that unless it is for an Instagram post. So yes, I can still use these on my Instagram post, but these are not something that I would recommend to you guys. And I don't know if the Miniso ones are still available. So that's why I'm stepping back from how to apply your false lashes video for now. Now the final purchase, which is from Myntra, is this Makeup Revolution Sofix eyeshadow palette. Now I was looking for the most perfect neutral glam palette so that I can recommend to you guys, which is also, it's not inexpensive, but it is not extremely expensive as well. It's not high end, it's still drugstore, but it has more shades than the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. It also has a few pops of colors. Let me show that palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It has a huge mirror and some beautiful shades. You see a classic black and a white. It has these beautiful warm tone as well as cool tone neutral shades right here. And it's just not brown neutrals. It also has orangey, peachy, pinky shades, and all these shimmer shades are amazing. It's darker bronze, champagne, golden shades. You get everything, and these are really lighter shades of shimmer shades. And then there are pops of colors as well. There is a blue, purple, and green. So I do think that this is the most perfect neutral glam palette with a few pops of colors which are not very intimidating. So this palette retails for 1900, and at a sale time you can get it on Nykaa for 1300, but I got this off of Myntra for 1000 only. Like, it was not even a huge sale or anything. It's like almost every alternate week or once a week you get this sale where you can get makeup products at really good discount, like I think 40 to 50% off, and I got it at that time. So yes, definitely get this off of Myntra and you will not regret it. Those were all the products I bought. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. The links to all of these will be there in the description box down below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.